Hi guys, just a quick message. Right, I've just come to a quote, and I'm just at number 30 there behind me. Now, our first job, first week in Jan, was that house opposite there, which I think is like number 29, right opposite. Now, where my issue is we've not done our neighbour nudges. So technically doing the 5 around, so that's left and right of number 29 where we were working in January, and 3 opposite, which would include this house. Now luckily we've been recommended by he's actually a floor fitter, so the work we've put in with what we call like non-competing trades has paid off, but we've missed. These people have been looking for the floor, wood floor, to have it done. We've missed an opportunity there by not doing the neighbour nudges. As soon as I pulled up, I was like, wait a minute, we were down there 3 months ago. So just shows we've missed a bite at the cherry there. Luckily we've been recommended by someone, but yeah, we could have missed out on that one. So just shows the people around, the neighbours left and right opposite, they're looking for work. They've got similar floors, and I actually said to her, we were working over there at Mandy's house in January. She said, oh no, I don't know her, so we've not long moved in. So you know, sometimes the neighbours know each other, they talk, sometimes they don't. So it's good to get your neighbour nudges in, and like we say, it's just a little piece of the pie. So that's my my Wednesday thoughts on this quote. So yeah, we've let ourselves down in essentially, but luckily through some other work we've been doing, we've still got the inquiry and got the lead. So yeah, so that's it guys, just keep chipping away, and try and have all different points of contact, so all roads lead to you essentially. Yeah, cheers guys.